Are you ready to discover a natural multitasking remedy that supports your skin, hair, digestion, immunity, and even blood sugar levels? In today's video, I'm sharing how to prepare fresh aloe vera gel at home and explaining exactly how to use it for glowing skin, healthy hair, soothing acid reflux, diabetes support, and more. But first, like this video, subscribe if you're new here, and comment below. Where are you watching from? I want to know who's joining me today. Benefits of aloe vera. Let's talk about the powerful benefits of aloe vera skin healing and hydration. Aloe vera soothes sunburns, cuts, rashes, and psoriasis. Its gel moisturizes deeply without feeling greasy, anti-aging and brightening. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, E, it boosts collagen and elastin, improves elasticity, reduces fine lines, fades dark spots, and enhances radiance. Clearer skin and acne care. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects help reduce acne, redness, blemishes and scars, promotes wound healing, accelerates recovery, and prevents infection in cuts, burns, and minor wounds. Hair and scalp benefits. Strengthens hair roots, reduces dandruff, repairs scalp, and adds shine and softness. Digestive support and acid reflux. Soothes stomach lining, supports digestion, treats IBS, reflux and constipation. Use latex-free gel. Blood sugar regulation. May lower fasting blood glucose, improve insulin sensitivity, and help manage type 2 diabetes, with caution. Immunity and detox. Polysaccharides and antioxidants boost immune response, cleanse the body, and support detoxification, oral and dental health. Reduces gum inflammation, fights plaque, soothes canker sores and mouth ulcers. Select a fresh, thick aloe vera leaf. Cut off both spiky edges and soak the leaf in water for 2 hours to remove yellow latex that can irritate. After soaking, peel and scoop out the clear gel. Blend the gel into a smooth consistency. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons glycerin. Mix in 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum blend until completely smooth. Then stir this into the aloe gel. Add 2 vitamin E capsules, pierce them to release the oil, and mix well. Transfer the mixture into a clean, airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator for a few hours before use. How to use aloe vera gel for skin. Apply a thin layer at night as a moisturizer, or use as a refreshing face mask. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. Use on sunburn, cuts, acne spots, or irritation. Helps fade scars and pigmentation. For hair and scalp massage, into scalp 30 minutes before shampoo. Mix with coconut oil for deep conditioning. Helps reduce dandruff, strengthens hair, adds shine. For blood sugar support, use the same drink, 1 tablespoon gel plus water, daily for type 2 diabetes support, not as a replacement for medication. Monitor blood sugar levels and consult a doctor. For oral health use gel, to soothe canker sores or mouth ulcers. Can also be used as a gentle mouth rinse if diluted. Store the gel in an airtight, clean glass container in the fridge. It stays fresh for 7 to 10 days. Use a clean spoon or spatula to take out the gel each time to avoid contamination. If this video helped you understand the power of aloe vera, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly natural health and beauty videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.